Grab him. He is beached.
Bring them to me.
You get a net. Oh, I guess I have a camera too.
Oh, don't trample the little guy.
I think they figured out it's not food.
Now we get in position.
Grab him.
Jump.
Grab him.
Oh, this is chilling.
No, get one.
Oh my goodness. You fooled him. Oh, he's pissed. He's getting the hell out of here.
It's like
Bastard.
bastard. It's a trap. Run. Retreat. Retreat.
Maybe hold out your hand like there's food in it.
Yeah, I was doing
Oh,
that.
that bird.
Oh, I think you hit him.
You see that bird's tail?
That guy? Oh my god, that bird wants some. Look how shiny he is.
What guy? Is that a little turtle? Do you see
Yeah.
him popping up over here?
Oh, baby butt.
Bird, what are you doing?
Who's a little baby turtle? Who's so cute? Who's so cute?